Hi, Phanessa here. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to knit a bobble stitch. So this is what a bobble stitch looks like. So I have a sample here. I'm just going to knit to right here. Let's say this is the stitch I want to make my bobble. So your pattern instructions will tell you knit 3, make bobble. Okay. In this example, I'm going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make bobble. So you knit up into the stitch that you want to make your bobble. Okay, so here is the stitch. So to make a bobble, you're going to knit front, knit back, and then knit front. So it's like the KFB, which is knit front and back, but you're going to come back up and knit the front one last time. So through the front. Okay, don't slide that off, go to the back. Knit through the back, and then knit through the front again. Okay, so now you have 3 stitches. You want to turn your work and purl those 3 stitches. So you want to purl the 3 stitches that you just created. Okay, now we're going to turn it again and knit the same 3 stitches. Okay, so knit those same 3 stitches. So it's like working a bunch of short rows. One more time, we're going to turn. Now we're going to purl these stitches again. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so finally we turn it back around. And then we're going to knit these 3 together, which will push all of these stitches out and create your bobble, okay? So insert and knit all 3. And then if you need to, push it towards the front or whichever side you're working your bobble stitch. And I'm just going to knit across. Okay, so there is the bobble stitches. This is super bulky weight yarn. I am using a smaller needle, so the stitches are a little bit tighter. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. If there's a stitch you would like me to create a tutorial for, leave a comment or send me a message and I will put it on my list of videos to make. All right, I'll see you next time.